If you want to know step-by-step SEO implementation for any project, whether it is for a client or your own business, or if you are a SEO learner, even if you know the SEO through educational videos from Facebook, YouTube and other platforms, but you don't know from where you have to start and end the SEO process, then this video is best suited for you. Because in this video I am going to explain the entire scenario to doing a SEO job for your client and your own business. And additionally, in description I'll give you a PDF link in which you will get the topic wise SEO roadmap. Welcome back to all of you on my channel. This is Samiruddin and you are watching Samiruddin Consultancy YouTube channel. Now, in today's video, we are going to explain the complete roadmap of SEO implementation. This video is basically for those who want to learn the complete step-by-step SEO implementation and for those who want to grow your business through search engine optimization. So don't skip and watch the entire video, and if it is helpful for you, then you can like and subscribe for motivation. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, complete your website development and designing, because many of you don't take it seriously. And it is very important to design a mobile friendly and SEO optimized web application, because nowadays more than 70% of the internet user can open your application through a mobile device. And if your application is not mobile friendly or responsive, or it is loading again and again, then no one will stay on your site. And it is natural. Even you don't want to stay in this kind of web application. By the way, I have more than 5 years of experience in web development and designing. So if you need any kind of help, let me know in comment section or directly mail me. I'll give you a completely free consultancy. So first step is website development and designing. Then we need to focus on business analysis. You should know about business strategy in depth, even you are doing a project for your client, because without understanding the business terms and keywords, it is almost impossible to implement search engine optimization. And sometimes you need to understand marketing strategy, and you need to focus some relevant keywords according to business. So first one is website development and next is business analysis. Now we should move to keyword research. It is one of the fundamental for search engine optimization, whether you are running an ads campaign or doing on-page SEO. For keyword research, we have an amazing tool that is nothing but Google Keyword Planner. You just need to take a high volume and most recommended keywords and create a list of at least 25 keywords for every single page of your web application. If you don't know how to use Google Keyword Planner, then don't worry, I'll give you a separate video for keyword analysis in digital marketing series. And after that, we have to research our competitors' keyword as well. There are many paid tools for competitors research, but we can use a free tool, that is Ubersuggest, which is founded by a famous YouTuber and digital marketing expert Neil Patel. One of the most advantage of competitors keyword research is you will get more suitable keyword according to your niche, and that will be already ranked on the Google. Fifth one is on-page factor implementation, that including meta tags, URL optimization, heading tag and content optimization, alt tag and many more. We will learn these in our practical video series. Then we need to do some advanced on-page SEO, in which we will check whether canonical tags, sitemap and robot.txt are present or not in our web application. Then we need to test our web application in terms of speed, because Google promote and showcase only fast loading website in their search engine. And as I talked earlier, if your web application loading again and again, then no one will stay on your site. So we can check our website speed using tools like Pingdom, Google Page Insight and GT Matrix, etc. And these three tools are enough for speed test satisfaction. After that, we need to set up of Google Search Console. If there is any issue in your website, you can easily find using Google Search Console, and it is also very important for listing your site on Google. And now we have to focus on backlink generation strategy and analysis. So you need to find the list of the site where you can sign up and submit your link. And as all of you know that backlinks can increase your Google search ranking. We have done now. So after implementing these all steps, we need to track our search engine strategy through Google Search Console or ACRP. And if you are using WordPress CMS, then you can use Google Sitekit plugin for tracking your application. And after tracking, you will find your keyword ranking and mistakes also. So these are the steps to doing search engine optimization for your client or for your own business. I hope you understand now how to do step by step SEO implementation for any project. If you have any question, please tell me in comment section, and if you want to develop your business website free of cost, then you can contact me at given email ID. Now allow me see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Good luck and goodbye.